Hello everyone, welcome to my class with essay. Our topic for today is sound g, g, g. This sound is described as voiced velar plosive, voiced velar plosive. So the spelling symbol for this sound is letter G, G, G. Okay, so let's go. Letter G, girl, glad, God, goat, gap, girl, bigot, big wig, bag, leg, beg, drag, etc. GG as in digger, trigger, nigger, bigger, and so on. Next, GH, ghost, ghastly, ghetto, aghast, Afghan, ghoul or ghoul, and so on. So, silent G or silent G. Imbroglio, Nash, Nor, Nat, Nal, Sign, Rain, Foreign, Paradigm, 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 Malign, Champagne, and so forth. I hope you've learned a thing or two from today's class. Don't forget to follow me, watch, learn, like, comment, and share. Thanks, and God bless you. Bye.